Greetings, contractors and business enthusiasts. If you're eager to become a registered supplier, vendor, contractor in the vibrant Miami, Florida using the iSupplier portal, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of registration and navigating the iSupplier portal to access exciting business opportunities in the lively city of Miami. Now let's begin. As a starting point, let's understand what the iSupplier portal is. It's an online platform used by government agencies, including Miami, to connect with vendors for procurement opportunities. It's your gateway to city contracts and bids. Begin by registering as a supplier. To access the iSupplier procurement portal, go to Miami City's official website and click Business and License. Then click on Doing Business with the City. Now register as a supplier by clicking Register as a City Supplier, Vendor. Gather your information before you begin. You will need your company name, FIN, Federal Employer Identification Number, and email address. Begin registering as a supplier vendor. Click on the Registering as a Supplier Vendor button. Prior to registration, you must submit a W-9 document. Your application will be rejected if no W-9 is received within 72 hours. You can fill out and save a W-9 form or submit a signed W-9 document. Once you completed the W-9 document, upload and submit, or once you completed providing your information, submit your W-9 form. After you provided your W-9 documentation, begin providing your contact information. Thoroughly fill out your vendor profile. Include precise contact details, services you offer, and any relevant certifications or qualifications. A comprehensive profile enhances your visibility to government agencies seeking your services. Search for commodity codes. What are commodity codes? Commodity codes are used to classify goods and services in government contracts. Select service your company provides from the commodity code list and click Submit, and your commodity codes are saved. Your registration is completed. Once registered, explore the platform for procurement opportunities posted by Miami City. These can include bid requests, requests for proposals, and other contracting opportunities. Carefully review each opportunity to ensure they align with your services. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with other entrepreneurs. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Stay connected, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.